Hi, my name is Liz, and for the condition presentation, I will be focusing on anorexia. Our group was given eating disorders, and anorexia is one of the three that will be talked about in this presentation. So according to the National Eating Disorder Association, anorexia is an eating disorder characterized by weight loss, difficulty maintaining an appropriate body weight for height and age, and in many individuals, distorted body image. People with anorexia generally restrict the number of calories and the types of food they eat. Some people with the disorder also exercise compulsively, purge via vomiting, and using laxatives and/or binge eat. So when looking at the DSM-5, there are 3 letters that fall under the diagnostic criteria that you would have to meet in order to be diagnosed with anorexia. So A is restriction of energy intake related to requirements leading to a significantly low body weight in the context of age, sex, developmental trajectory, and physical health. Significantly low weight is defined as a weight that is less than minimally normal, or for children and adolescents, less than that minimally expected. B is intense fear of gaining weight or becoming fat, or persistent behavior that interferes with weight gain, even though at a significantly low weight. C is disturbance in the way in which one's body weight or shape is experienced, undue influence of body weight or shape on self-evaluation, or persistent lack of recognition of the seriousness of the current low body weight. So when it comes to anorexia, it is not uncommon for these different eating disorders to cross over. So it is common that binge eating and purging can lead to anorexia. Bulimia can also end up leading to anorexia as well. So when looking at some of the signs and symptoms, there are many both emotional and behavioral and physical signs and symptoms to look for when someone is suffering with anorexia. Some of the emotional and behavioral signs and symptoms include dramatic weight loss, dresses and layers to hide weight loss or to stay warm, refuses to eat certain foods such as carbs or sugars, makes frequent comments about feeling fat, denies feeling hungry, consistently makes excuses to avoid meal times, excessive need to burn off calories taken in, going to the gym excessively to burn off those calories, feels ineffective, feels tired and foggy, just due to not taking in the proper nutrition and giving your body the vitamins it needs. For females, it can affect your menstrual period. And a lot of the physical signs and symptoms have to do with the lack of nutritional value your body is getting. So for example, your hair can start to thin, your skin becomes very dry, cavities can form from vomiting, muscle weakness, yellow skin, and again with women, this can give you irregular periods and really take a toll on your hormones, fainting just due to being so hungry, feeling cold all the time, sleep problems. Some of the health consequences of anorexia are, again, just the lack of nutritional value your body is getting. And if you get sick or if you hurt yourself, it will take your body a lot longer to heal just because the lack of vitamins your body has. When somebody is going through the cycle of anorexia, your body will go into a self-starvation mode, just because your body needs to shut down and slow down a little bit to reserve its energy, just because the person is so weak from denying the body of essential nutrients. Anorexia too is very common in both males and females. For males, it's seen that a lot of athletes can develop anorexia, especially wrestlers. It shows that just because of the constant need to keep their weight down and at a certain number in order to wrestle, just skipping meals and the excessive exercising can sometimes lead to the males developing an eating disorder, just because their body's just so used to doing this, and they really feel the need that meeting that weight number is more important than taking care of themselves. So that is all I have to talk about anorexia. I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation and learning about the rest of the eating disorders. Thank you.